Welcome to the Unilever Food Solutions product shop, the only place where you can order your favorite products and get rewarded at the same time. Here's how it works. Access the Product Shop tab. Choose your preferred distributor. Select the products you want to purchase. Review your order and proceed to checkout. To confirm your order, log into your account to secure UFS reward points, or check out as a guest by filling in your details. Now, place order and you're done. You will receive an order confirmation email from us, followed by an email confirmation from your selected distributor after they have reviewed and processed your order based on your agreed terms. It gets better. Your UFS account directly enrolls you in the UFS Rewards program, where you can exchange points for exciting prizes. Earn 1 point for every 1 dirham spent and redeem the prize of your choice from our exciting reward catalogue. Extra tip: creating an account not only gives you loyalty points, but it also offers great features to help you manage your account, such as viewing your order history, checking your points balance, and managing your favorites list. Still have questions? Enjoy shopping on UFS.com.